India is the worst country in the world for newborn babies. Of every 100 newborns that die in the world, 29 are from India. That is 3 lakh babies who die on the day that they are born every year. Infants fare better even in Pakistan and Bangladesh, says a new report by an NGO called Save the Children. Rizwana and Siraj Pathan were looking forward to celebrating the birth of their child. They are now mourning her death. Rizwana went into labour last night and delivered in the waiting area, unable even to reach the labour room. Their newborn baby girl died before the doctor reached her.
बेबी मेरी हो गई अंदर ही, बेड पे ही हो गई, और जब बेबी हो गई तब बाद में आई नर्स, बुलाया मेरी सिस्टर ने, तब आई तो बड़े दवाखाने ले जाते वो ऑफ हो गई वो.
Rizwana and Siraj's trauma is a reflection of a frightful reality. India has the worst record for infant mortality, with over 3 lakh babies a year dying the day they are born. It's a horrifying statistic in this report by Save the Children, a global NGO. India alone accounts for 29% of first-day deaths globally, leaving behind even sub-Saharan countries like Congo and Somalia. Preterm births, complications and infections at birth continue to be the greatest risks to babies in the first day of their lives. In addition, India's accelerating growth has only widened the gap between the rich and the poor, with the poorest 20% facing twice the risk than the top 20%.
If you really look at the infant mortality and especially the neonatal mortality, the mortality of the newborns, India has a high burden, and we have declined only say 31% since 1990. Compared to Bangladesh, which has had a decline of 49%, and even Nepal, which had a decline of 44%. Sri Lanka is doing well.
Experts say it's not identifying the problem but implementing the solution, which is a key area of concern. In addition, India spends just a little over 1% of its GDP on health, in sharp contrast to what developed countries do at 8%. Certainly some food for thought. With Nilesh in Vadodara in New Delhi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.